For more than a decade, the Parker H. Petit Institute for Bioengineering and Bioscience at Georgia Tech has been pushing the boundaries of science, dissolving the boundaries between disciplines.
I think in many areas of technology, including medical technology, the real challenges, the real interesting problems are at the interface of disciplines.
This is our nanofiber mesh.
IBB successfully created an environment where researchers from different disciplines collaborate to drive research forward. This success was recently recognized by the national academies as an interdisciplinary model for universities across the nation.
This will be one of those places where we'll look back and we'll say they were ahead of the curve, they were in front of the technology, they understood the problems sooner than most, and were able to contribute to addressing the unmet needs.
And the interaction isn't just among faculty. IBB has also invited a variety of companies into the discussion through its Industrial Partners Program.
It is important to have resources outside of industry and tap into the minds of academia for some of the problems that we may face.
The partnership began with tissue engineering, which has evolved into regenerative medicine. Recently, the program was expanded to additional IBB research areas, including pharmaceutical research, along with a wide variety of cross-cutting and enabling disciplines.
It's one of the great benefits of Georgia Tech is that we have such a large program in bioengineering and biosciences that the diversity of application areas is sort of one-stop shopping for these companies.
It's not just a one-way street. The Industrial Partners Program is truly a dialogue.
They ask questions of industry and then they think about it. And you actually witness the input of not just industry, but a lot of sectors.
We work at it. We don't just assume that industry is going to walk in here and want to work with us. We make an effort to find what their needs are and then meet those needs.
IBB literally invites companies into the process through events that give partners the chance to hear about the very latest cutting-edge research.
From a small company standpoint, being a partner here in this organization allows me to see what else is out there in the way of new biotechnology that may complement what we're already doing at my company. And that's invaluable.
Input from partners provides valuable insight into industrial development and clinical challenges. It helps focus research.
If a company reads about our work after it's been done, then of course the company doesn't have a chance to influence how that work is carried out. So the opportunity to have those interactions early in the idea stage and the implementation stage really helps to make the research benefit industry and therefore be viable as an ultimate product that can help patients.
And that early access to research can also help companies.
We advertise our intellectual property to our partners. They get 90 days proprietary review of any new invention disclosures, and they can get back to us if they want to engage in a dialogue about intellectual property. Will you be able to market your product in other countries as well?
That dialogue is facilitated by dedicated staff who work with industry.
I think one of the main benefits of an industrial liaison is being able to help the companies navigate the university system. It's a unique position to have, and it really helps industry, and they find it to be a real benefit.
Hey Bob, how's it going?
But there's more to the Industrial Partners Program than access to cutting-edge research.
Industry is always looking for good students, and Georgia Tech grads are spectacular.
Access to IBB's diverse and talented student body is another big draw for companies.
I think the primary difference is that they come from this incredibly dynamic interdisciplinary environment. They have been exposed to industry, they have been exposed to clinical problems in a variety of different research areas, and that's a great attraction for our industry partners.
The Industrial Partners Program is also unique because it offers companies the chance not just to meet talented students, but to follow their progress.
And by being a partner, you get that privilege of seeing the students on more than one occasion. That's in contrast to the annual job fair days where you see 400 students.
These are just some of the tangible benefits of the program. But our partners will tell you there's another advantage to working with our faculty and students.
It's such a creative environment that it spurs you into having new ideas of your own. Sitting there taking a note and all of a sudden it's just like, hey, I just thought of something that I can't wait to get back and talk to the people at our company about this. This gave me a new idea.